All right, welcome to the last video, video 3. I'm going to right click and get rid of, let's ignore all of these. That's one of the standards we're trying to emphasize more, and I haven't really talked about it yet, is proofreading everything. So there shouldn't be squigglies, there should be no errors in documents like this. The first thing we're going to do is insert drop caps. So where do you see drop caps? Chapter books, newspapers, newsletters, the list goes on. So to do that, we're going to do a drop cap for the first letter of every story. So we're going to highlight or select that first letter, go to Format, Drop Cap. And we're just going to drop 2 lines, so 2 instead of 3. And do that 3 more times. So now select this, drop 2. Oops, just 1 letter. Oh, let's try again. Drop 2 lines, and the last one right here. There we go. Before I forget this, enjoy good food needs to be centered, and we're going to center a couple symbols here. So the original symbol isn't there anymore, so we're just going to stick with diamonds and insert diamonds again. You guys can honestly choose whatever you want. Above Windows Lunch Hour, hit return twice, so we have 3 non-special character markers showing, and choose the middle one here, and we're going to center. So center a line. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's centered in the middle of this column. We're going to insert all the way down to advanced symbol. We can kind of move this around so we can see everything. If you don't want to stick with the diamond, you don't have to, but 10 times we're going to insert a symbol. You can't click too fast because it doesn't like that and it doesn't always work. The next one above this, another story. Enter twice, click back up in that middle paragraph, center a line, and inserts 10 diamonds again. And one more time above the last story. Enter twice, click up in the middle one, center a line, and insert 10 symbols. There we go. We can close that now. Okay, so the last step we have to do is insert some images for this, and it will move everything down to kind of fill out the newsletter a little bit more. So go ahead and open up Chrome, and I want you to insert or search some images, and we'll just drag them to the desktop here. So the first one, let's do man with chart graphic. We're just going to choose graphic images for all of these, so click the images. I would like it a little bit more horizontal than vertical, if that makes sense. So I'm not necessarily a tall one, but I don't really care what your chart is. I'm trying to think of one I usually choose. Let's do Windows Lunch Hour Workshops. This is a new one. Let's do this one. You guys, again, can choose whatever you would like. I'm just going to drag this on my desktop right there, and we're going to find the other ones as well. So one we're going to do where it says about the Spring Fling picnic. So let's do picnic graphic, and I'm going to keep it simple and choose I'm going to go back up and choose, what's up with this picnic party? Okay. I don't know. I don't like that one. Nope. Big decisions here. Let's do this one. And last one, we are going to choose computer graphic. Let's just do There's one I always choose. Let's see if it's, yes, I like this one. I don't care which one you choose though. Okay, let's minimize the internet. Okay, so the first one we're going to drag in. Oh, the bell's going to ring, so I'll try and squeeze this in. If not, I may cut off this video. We're going to choose the man with graph. When you insert an image, it might go crazy. We need to immediately click the image. Whenever you insert an image, you have this, or a picture, you have the picture format option. So the first thing you do, no matter what, when you insert an image, is go to wrap text. And this one we're going to keep tight. And then that, no matter what you choose, it's going to allow you to resize. And we are going to resize. So you can see my height and width as well to kind of get something similar. That is actually pretty darn close to exactly what I want. So I'm going to leave it right there. There should be one line going across. Okay? You can pause and edit if you need. The picnic one will be right above this paragraph, in the middle of this one. I'm going to drag and drop the picnic basket. And then we're going to do the same thing. Click the image first. Picture format, wrap text, we're going to do tight. And I'm going to do the same thing. You can always check out my width and height. I want 2 lines to be visible here. I'm going to make this a little skinnier. Very close. I'm not sure what just happened there. There we go. That's actually perfect right there. I said 2 lines. I better make it 2 lines. There we go. If you check out my width and height of that, somewhere around there. Last one, computer. Drag it on down here in all this open space, which it wasn't. I am going to change this one and do in front of text. So click the picture, wrap text, in front of text. And I'm going to kind of just fill up all this empty space down here. Keep it centered in that second column. I think my computer's being very slow right now. Holy cow. And here it is. Check it out. And I will give you directions for your assignment. But there is the newsletter for Cablecom. Have that saved and in your folder.